In this video, we're going to be talking about the transfer limits for Remitly. So currently, as you can see from my screen, Remitly has 3 transfer tiers. Under tier 1, within 24 hours, you can transfer up to $3,000. Within 30 days, you can transfer up to $10,000. And within 180 days, you can transfer up to $18,000. And this is in US dollars, right? Now the information that you'll need to provide in this tier is your full name, your residential address, your date of birth, and if you are in the United States, the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now under tier 2, if you want to send more money within 24 hours, you have to provide additional information such as your government ID and additional information about their use of services, including details of the source of your funds. So you can see that within 180 days, you can send up to $36,000, within 30 days, $20,000, and within 24 hours, $6,000. Then you have tier 3, where within 24 hours, you can send $10,000, within 30 days, you can send $30,000, and within 180 days, you can send $60,000. The information needed for this tier is that you need tier 2 information if it is not already approved, and they may ask you additional information on your use of their service. So if you have not yet registered for Remitly, you can sign up using the link in the description below. You get free transfers and $20 and $25 when you sign up. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.